Welcome back. Today we're exploring how to send avatar stickers on Discord using your PC with the latest updates. If you want to add a bit of flair to your conversations, these steps will guide you through the process. First, open your Discord app and log in. Make sure you're on the home screen to start. Next, find the chat where you want to send the sticker. Whether it's a friend or a group, navigate to that conversation. Once you're in the chat, look for the sticker icon. It's typically located in the message input area, near where you type your messages. Click on that icon to open up a world of sticker options. You'll see a variety of categories featuring different stickers. Take your time to browse through them. There's something for every mood and occasion. If you want to quickly find the perfect sticker to express yourself, you can also use the search bar at the top. Just type in what you're feeling, and it will filter the stickers to match your emotions. Once you've found the sticker that fits, simply click on it, and it will be sent in your chat. Easy as that, and there you go. Sending avatar stickers on Discord adds a fun, personal touch to your conversations. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your Discord experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.